I'm going to be building a built-in laundry room countertop in my laundry room. And the first thing I need to do is level a line around for me to attach my framing that's going to support the countertop to the wall. Then take your level and then mark that line out everywhere where your countertop is going to go. You can see I have my line down this side and the main one and the other side also. So first I'm going to put up my side framing pieces. Find your studs and mark them out just a little bit above your line. And do that for both sides and the long wall. So once you have that, hold it on your line and screw it in. The front part of my framing is going to be supported by two furniture legs. I'm going to take my level and set it on top of where I have the 3'6" marked out, and then just mark that line across your post. And that is the height that your post needs to be. So I'm going to go cut mine and then we'll move on to installing the front framing. So now it's time to put together the front framing for this countertop. I'm going to take my 3 pieces and 2 of them I'm going to drill for crank screws on one end, and then the middle piece will need crank screws drilled on both sides. So I'm going to do 2 per side and then we'll get it put together. So it should lay out like this, no holes there, 2 here, 2 on either side of the middle piece, 2 there, and none over there. And then the posts, of course, will go in between. So now I'm ready to screw it together. I need to prop it up. Just need to make sure that my pieces are flush at the top, and then I can screw them together. And then put the rest of it together for real. Okay, so I have a leg, a brace, a leg, a brace. So now I'm going to screw that together into the existing side brace, just from the front. I'm going to hold this framing flush with the top of the existing framing and screw them together. Now I just need to put this other piece in, and I'll put it in place. And then I will get it put into this post where I have it pre-drilled. I am going to mark out 16 inches on center for some backing pieces that I'm going to put in for the countertop boards to secure themselves to. And I'm going to hold them so that they are right in the middle of the line I just marked out in the back and the front. And then I'm going to screw them into place. So that is all the braces in. Okay guys, hard part's over. So this countertop is going to be built out of this deck board material. So I have it already cut to length. Then just make sure that you are placing your screw over top of one of the brackets that you put in place. I had a little piece ending this first row, so I'm going to take a bigger piece and I'm going to put it in place. And then I'm going to mark out where I need to cut it so that it will break on one of these joists. That piece is cut and ready to go. I'll put it in place. And then I'll measure the distance from the end of this piece to the far wall. And then I will cut that piece, which I have, and I'll put that in place. And then I'll take the cutoff from that most recent piece and I'll start the next row with it, and so on and so forth until I'm done with my countertop. So now I'm just going to go around and touch up the stain in a couple of spots, like here where I angled these screws and it ended up chipping out the wood here. And do some of this wipe on poly, a couple coats of that, and then I'll get it all staged and beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. Bye.